Hello my friends, welcome to Master Board Mayhem. So this month of June, you're going to see some videos go out that are sharing a swap hosted by myself and Jessie of Jessie Journals and Unboxes. And it's mermaid theme. And for the swap, I created things using my printable kit. So first I'm going to show you some of the cut-aparts. Well, actually I'm going to show you all of the cut-aparts. Just so that you know, I printed the kit out smaller than its normal size. So instead of printing it out at 8.5 by 11, I printed it out at 5 inches high and probably 8 inches across. So that's why these tags are small. Figure since summertime is coming up, it's a good time to start thinking about mermaids and beach themes and stuff like that. Isn't it cute though? I love it. Actually very excited to start working with it. Now here come the pages. I love that the mermaids all have colorful hair. It's either bright yellow like a gold, or pink, or purple, or blue. Today I'm making a master board. So to coordinate with the kit, I'm using the offcuts from when I printed it out. And these, well, okay, so these offcuts are, you know, I print my kits on the back of scrapbook paper usually. So these offcuts are from the scrapbook paper. I have a feeling I might be making more than one master board because I have enough scraps definitely for 2. But we'll see. Maybe I just take the other scraps and turn them into tags or something. Oh, I wanted to mention that Master Board Mayhem's an open collaboration. So if you would like to join in, you sure can. Use the hashtag Master Board Mayhem, and then just be sure to tag me as the host and use up some of your scraps. Just have fun with it. I'm finding that this is a fantastic way for me to keep up with my scraps. I think this is looking super pretty so far. Well, I love all of these colors anyway. They're just beautiful. All right, my friends, this master board is done. Let's go ahead and do another one. I think this one turned out really, really beautiful, you guys. If you'd like to see me put another one together, stay tuned. All right, my friends, I love the way this one turned out as well. So let's take a quick look at the 3 we completed. Oops, what is happening here? Hold on a second. There we go. All right, so this is the last one. This is the second to the last one. And this is the first one. And I think these are gonna make beautiful tags, beautiful pockets, beautiful everything. All right, my friends, I'm going to need some small pockets and small tags to go in the small journal. So let's take a look at the mini journal pages. Basically, this is the size. They're going to get folded in half. So we are talking about, 5 inches high by 3 1/4 inches wide. So definitely going to need very small pockets. So let's go ahead. I think this one is a good one to work with the small pockets, because the other ones have a larger pieces, and I think the smaller pieces might work better. I think what I'd like to do, since this is such a tiny journal, I think what I'd like to do is start with either a side, I got glue on my fingers, side pocket, like right here, just a little strip that goes down this way, or a nice triangle pocket. So let's just cut a strip. Let's cut one like, let's see, I'm going to use this as a guide. So if I was going to do a triangle pocket, then I might want to come over about this far. And I'm thinking this one piece should give me probably 3 pockets, but let's find out. So if we're here and we want it to go about there, we're going to cut this in half. We'll cut it right here. And then if we cut it diagonally, we'll get 2 pockets out of it. Let's see how we did with sizing. All right, on this side of the pocket, we'll have an upper, and then I'll flip the page over and we'll have a lower. I think that size is pretty good. This pocket is ready to go. Very simple embellishment. I'll have to get into some of my tiny little embellishments and things, but for now, for this pocket, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this out. I have a flower punch, but I think my flower punch is too big, so I'm just going to sort of freehand, and that way it should fit on the pocket. Oh, I'm going to have to go a little tighter. All right, I cut this a bit smaller. We're going to get this on the pocket. And what I think I'll do is I'll go through my little cut-aparts, and if I need to go and print these a little bit smaller so I can embellish with them, I will do that. All right, my friends, Carl has just called me. He needs me to go help him with something at his shop. So we're going to call this a video. But I'm glad that you got to see me put the master boards together, to cut one of them, at least, well, one strip of it's cut, and to make 2 pockets, so I think that's good. Just so that you know, I will be adding the tall pockets, definitely belly bands. Those will be really easy to cut and make belly bands and things like that. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.